Hello everyone, I am Arda from Clint. Today I will give you a very quick tour of Clint. Let's start immediately. Yes, this is the screen you see when you first enter Clint. You can think of this entire section as your personal cockpit. Here you're able to view all the invoices and essential information that we've successfully captured from your Gmail account. And in the period checkup section, you can easily see and compare exactly how much you've spent relative to previous periods. Specifically, you have the chance to compare your spending across 7-day, 14-day and 30-day periods. Now, let's dive straight into the heart of the matter with check-in invoices. As I mentioned, this is where the main action happens. Here we present the invoices from your Gmail, including their original email subject and all spending details. Let's take a look at how it's done. For example, we've made a Suno expenditure. Here you can see the original email subject along with all the expense items. Now that our highlighting feature has been demonstrated, let's continue from there. You also have the option to add comments to your invoices. By adding comments, you can actually clarify the accounting context of your invoices. For instance, if this particular entry is intended for your YouTube project, you can simply add it as a comment by typing for YouTube project right here. And then later on, when you wish to review the expenses you've incurred for that specific project, you can easily find them by searching for YouTube project and see your expenditures. Also, you can add tags to your invoices, or you can choose to exclude certain invoices from this list. Let's begin by demonstrating how to add these tags. We'll continue once more using the example from Suno we just saw. For instance, we can again assign a tag to our same invoice, indicating it's for a specific project. I also want to show you the exclusion option, because there might be invoices you'd prefer not to be visible here or not to be included in this particular list. For instance, this particular cursor's invoice has failed, so there's actually no logical reason for us to see this. This is not considered a payment item. Here, by simply clicking on the exclude option and providing a valid reason, we can mark it as outside of your overall expenses. And there's also a dedicated spend analysis section available. Here you can see not just how much you're spending, but also how you're spending it. You can see your spending history on a monthly basis. There you see them individually. At the same time, you can see if your expenses are one-time or recurring. Are these one-off or recurring? You also have the chance to see these. And of course, one of my absolute favorite features, which everyone truly loves and recognizes from Spotify Wrapped, is our unique feature that allows you to see everything you've experienced visualized once again. We present all your SaaS and service subscriptions with a tree map here. This way, you have the chance to see how much you spend on each tool or service and how significant it is in your expenses. Here is an example.
We had an expense of $45 for StackBlitz. We had a monthly expense of $133 for Canva, and you have the chance to see these details thoroughly. In short, we took a quick tour for your awareness. Thank you for watching.